this episode, we're going to be hopefully finishing the dr250. It's kind of been sitting for probably close to a month now with the Volkswagen stuff going on. Basically, all we have to do is put in a bit of miscellaneous hardware that I got, shorten the chain, and finish assembling everything. So, let's get right into this. Alright, so I'm here editing. Sorry I don't have the mic plugged in. Let me just get this cable out of the way. Here editing this video that you started watching here with the DR. Something went wrong and the footage about 2 minutes in just goes blank, no audio, and picture doesn't change. I don't know what happened, so I'm just going to kind of explain real quick what we did. We installed some hardware, some missing hardware around the case covers, got that all sealed up. We installed the cam chain tensioner, pivot bolt, as well as a seal. We then proceeded to put on all the seat plastic, and I took it for a ride, and I'll throw those clips in. And then I talked about some problems it was having in that ride, and a couple days later Sully came over. We worked on fixing the clutch and some other little miscellaneous things, and now it's running pretty good. Still needs starting fluid every start. I think I just need to retard the timing a bit. So yeah, that's what happened with the DR this video. Sorry. Let's hopefully my GoPro doesn't fall off now. Let's see if I can start this thing again. It will probably kick now that I've had it running. Idle's really high. The goal is to get the clutch freed up. Woohoo! Not running very smooth in the bottom end, down low. I also don't think I'm in first gear. There's not 100% sure. It seems kind of like it might be second. You want to lead? Lead. I said lead. Ow! Yeah. You have to be careful on, I don't know. Is that my clutch? Am I idling too high? My chain tensioner is falling apart. Let me check that out real quick. Do I have all the parts for this too? So it should be one down, the rest up. I'm getting one down. But I'm not sure if I'm getting any more up. Let's go down one. Yeah, that's neutral. But then I find first. And then neutral. And I think this is second now. Or no, that's not a gear. It is a gear. I thought that was a gear. Oh, I get... It needs some sorting.